Punta tayo sa ating sentence construction naman. So, alam nyo nang i-conjugate, pero paano siya gagamitin sa ating sentences? For example, meron tayong it's rainy today. Ano ang rainy sa ating vocabulary?
Ame.
Correct, it's ame. Ano ang ame? Noun, na adjective, i-adjective. Noun, na
Noun po.
adjective, i-adjective. Correct, it's noun. So, Josan, paano natin sasabihin na it's rainy today?
Kyowa made this.
Kyowa ame desu. Okay. How about it's not rainy today? May ansan. Meron tayo present na negative.
Kyo wa ame ja arimasen.
Correct. It's kyowa ame ja arimasen. So, yung des mo kanina, sa present affirmative, pinalitan mo lang ng ja arimasen. So, from kyowa ame desu, naging kyowa ame ja arimasen. Alright, what if it's past naman, but affirmative? It was rainy yesterday. Josang?
Kino wa ame deshita.
Correct, it's, again, remember, meron tayong yesterday. Kasi pag sinabi mong today yan, present na yung magiging tense mo. So, it was yesterday, yesterday is kinowa, ame deshita. Okay? Yung des mo kanina, papalitan mo ng deshita. Dahil it's in the past and instead na today, ang gamit natin ay yesterday. Okay? Wakarimashita ka minasang?
Wakarimashita.
Isa pa. It was cloudy yesterday. Paano natin yan sasabihin?
Kino wa kumori deshita.
Correct. Kinowa kumori deshita. Hi, katagozaimasu. Saigo last. May answer. Paano kapag ang sentence natin ay it was not rainy yesterday? It was not. So, meron tayong past negative.
Kino wa ame ja arimasen deshita.
Correct. Kinowa ame ja arimasen deshita. So, yung kanina mong present negative, ja arimasen, this time meron kang past negative. So, yung ja arimasen mo, dadagdagan mo ng deshita sa dulo. Hi, any questions sa ating noun na adjective conjugation?
Arimasen.
Okay. Let's proceed. Pag sinabi natin it's hot today, it's not hot today, it was hot yesterday, it was not hot yesterday. Ano ang hot natin? Noun, na adjective, i-adjective.
I-adjective.
I-adjective, correct. So, if you say it's hot today, paano kaya ito may ansang?
Kyo wa atsui desu.
Correct, no? It's kyo wa atsui desu. Pag i-adjective yan and it's present affirmative, deadma lang. Kung paano yung adjective mo, ganun mo gagamitin. Hi, katagozaimasu. Next one, Chosan, what if meron tayong it's not hot today? No, meron tayong present negative. Dozo?
Kyo wa atsukunai desu.
Correct. It's kyo wa atsukunai desu. Kyo wa atsukunai desu. Kung mapapansin, yung i ng ating atsui, inalis at pinalitan ng kunai. No, atsukunai desu. Hi, katagozaimasu. Sige, may ansang, what if it was hot yesterday? Meron tayong past affirmative.
Kino wa atsukatta desu.
Correct. Don't forget the des sa dulo. Kinowa atsukatta desu. Yesterday, kinowa atsukatta desu. Kung napapansin, inalis ang i sa dulo, pinalitan ng katta desu. Okay, Saigo, or lastly, Josan, it was not hot yesterday. Meron tayong past negative. Tozo?
Kino wa atsukunakatta desu.
Correct. Kinowa atsukunakatta desu. Alright, so kung makikita nyo, again, emphasize ko, paulit-ulit. Kasi ang i-adjective natin, pag present affirmative, as is. Pag present negative, alisin ang i at palitan ng kunay. Pero des pa rin ang dulo. Pag it was hot yesterday, alisin ang i, palitan ng katta. Because it's past affirmative. If it's past negative, alisin ang i, palitan ng kunakatta. And then, kung mapapansin, pag i-adjective, regardless of anong conjugation niya, des ang dulo. Present, present negative, present affirmative, past affirmative, past negative, pare-pareho lang yan. Puro des ang dulo. Ang babaguhin mo lang ang i-conjugate mo lang ay yung mga i-adjective. No, wakarimashita ka minasang?
Ay,
Mashita.
wakarimashita.
Okay.